Hi everyone, today in this video I will show you how you can fix the missing display driver issue after you install a fresh copy of Windows. So let's get started. To begin with, simply search for system information. From here, find baseboard product, select it and press Ctrl+C to copy the information. Now open your browser and paste it and hit enter. Now go to your manufacturer's website. From here go to the support section. There locate the driver section. From here download the VGA drivers. So after the download is complete, simply extract the contents of the file. From here, run the installer or setup file. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. Now, I'll get an error. This is due to the fact that I have already installed the latest driver for my GPU. So in your case, just install the driver and restart your PC for the changes to take effect. After you restart your computer, simply go to Device Manager. From there, expand the display adapter option and you will see that the display driver is successfully installed by now. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.